Good morning, guys. We are in Turkey right now, but we are not drinking coffee. We are drinking our Turkish tea.
Turkish
And this week we cannot make the video because we are super busy for everything. It's like a rush. So that's why we don't have a time to make the video. But we will make new video. Is coming for the next week, right?
Yes.
So do you want to say?
Yeah, we have been busy organizing everything and traveling from Italy to Istanbul, and here we had some dentist appointment and some medical stuff, so we couldn't.
By the way, Turkey is very famous for the all kind of like esthetician and dents and healthcare. It's very famous over here.
Yeah, and also we enjoyed this time together because we have been apart for 5 months. So Luna is super happy to see her dad and stay all together. So next time we will be in Onur's mom house,
South Turkey, in Adana.
South Turkey. Today we are flying there, and let's see, we have other plans, and we will show the other side of Turkey.
Yes, and we have already this side of Turkey video, but we don't have the time to plan it. So next week we will put all together. See you guys.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Chin
Ciao ciao.
chin.
Gracias.